In primetime news this evening, multi-million-dollar crackdown.
Parents of disabled students in Portland are at a crossroads.
And PAC probes government's social housing programs. Good evening and welcome to primetime news online and on air. Well, it's on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, lots to talk about. Concerns this evening that many Jamaicans are unaware of the CARICOM Skills Certificate regime, and weeks after the upgrade in the U.S. travel advisory, a St. Anne resort is already reporting signs of improvement. I'll give you the details on those a little later on in the business day.
Unaware of what? All right. No. It's what I did there. Renata Brown. As a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, Archie, maybe the Reggae Boys were caught unaware. They lost their opening Gold Cup game 1-0 against Guatemala, and the West Indies women, they also lost to South Africa women in their series to lose that series 2-1. We'll tell you all about that and more in primetime sports.
Is that a smirk on Romaine's face? Is that a smirk on his face?
It probably is.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Drama as always.
With the weather.
Thanks, Jelena. Not a lot of drama in the weather report this evening. We're still having a lot of the same conditions that we had over the past few days. Hazy conditions, strong winds. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
See that? He says hazy conditions, strong winds, but not a lot of drama. Don't trust him. You have to listen to the weather report and forecast later on. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, Renato, you're going to like this one. What are your thoughts on the return of night cricket to Sabina Park?
I'm so interested in hearing what people have to say. You can share your comments online. Facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.